Hi, this is Taryn Grome, editor of Pharma Voice. We met with numerous inspirational thought leaders at this year's DIA annual conference as part of our Editors Take video series. I hope you enjoyed this discussion.
In this episode, Taryn meets with Chi Lee, MD, Physician Executive, InterSystems.
Hi, Chi. Welcome to Boston in 2018 DIA.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me here.
It's our pleasure. I see InterSystems is relatively new to the DIA conference. How does InterSystems support the life sciences industry?
Yeah, InterSystems is a leading technology company, has been focusing on managing healthcare data around the world. We have over 500 million patient data managed using our technology and driving clinical care. And we believe that we can support the real-world data initiatives very effectively. And also, because of the clinical trial, there's a tremendous pressure around the patient recruitment. We also have technologies that can address the patient recruitment aspects of it.
What is the unique value you provide to members of DIA? And can you explain where InterSystems fits into the clinical trials ecosystem?
Yeah. Our unique value really focusing on our proven capabilities. I will emphasize the word proven capabilities. We've been helping provider organizations around the world manage patient care, generating or managing patient data for 40 years. And our interoperability solution really is really the foundation for any real-world data initiatives in support of a real-world evidence. And such data management capability is very much proven. And any type of intelligence, any type of real-world evidence initiatives needs a solid data foundation. In addition, I also see tremendous trends towards real-time aspects of it. Real-world data becomes not just a data that you look back 6 months ago, but rather it needs to be real-time. And our technology is built on the real-time data to coordinate care, and therefore we can use the same technology to drive the real-time real-world data initiative, which is very unique.
What capabilities separate InterSystems from other software companies attending DIA?
I think some of the technology I would emphasize around harvesting real-world data. And as a very much of a strong and with a large footprint worldwide, we are very much of experienced at dealing with a variety of data sources. And from the EHR data, from other data sources, ancillary systems, even genomic, even wearables, this type of ability to harvest real-world data from multiple sources is very unique. This is something that really differentiates us. And I will also emphasize the real-world aspects of it around the real-time, how valuable that is. And particularly around, for example, in the patient recruitment, you're looking for patients with certain diagnoses, just put on this drug that was launched in the marketplace, you want to do a phase 4 study, and our ability to capture the event, generate the alert, and send the alert to the appropriate care team or research team, that's very unique. Nobody else can do that, and our infrastructure is built around that and really make it very useful to support these real-time notifications and really get the patient onto these trials very quickly.
It's wonderful. Obviously, real-world data is a hot topic in the life sciences. And since you're experts working with RWD, what advice would you have for companies looking to leverage RWD or real-world data in their processes?
There are several angles. I think the most interesting part is that every time when we talk about real-world data, they say, oh, the EHR has all the data. If I can work with those leading EHRs and like Epic and Cerner and Allscripts, Athena, then that's it. I got real-world data. But it's not that simple. And there are about 850 software vendor systems out there. And even those data are distributed across many different systems. And if you are focusing on tracking one patient going through the care journeys, it's most likely, particularly if the patient is doing a phase 4 study, you have to deal with many other EMR systems. So when you deal with the real-world data, you have to really understand there's not a single source to get all your data. You have to look at multiple sources, and our interoperability platform is really the key to that particular problem. And that's very, very essential to deal with the real-world data.
Fantastic. In addition to RWD as being a hot trend, what else are you seeing at DIA this year that's got your interest peaked?
I think the very interesting trend I see, which is absolutely the right thing to do, is go patient first. And every year I see a tremendous interest to build the trials and do the trials go where patients live. And you can do it virtually and in a way that not site first, is actually patient first. I've seen this trend was covered in several talks by the CROs and in the Innovation Pavilion, and this is definitely absolutely the right thing to do. And this is also where I think InterSystems had tremendous value. We actually, through the clinical care and all the solutions that we provide around the world, we actually know where the patients are and also what type of condition that they have, and we can help you to get to where the patients are. And of course, augment that with what the CRO and the pharma has around the site characteristics. We think this will really, truly revolutionize and really accelerate the trial process. So I think we could be a very good enabler for this patient-first site recruitment strategy.
Fantastic. I want to thank you so much for sharing your wonderful insights with us.
Thank you.
For more information on this topic, visit our Thought Leaders website.
For more Editors Take videos from the DIA Annual Conference, visit www.pharmavoice.com. Thanks for joining us.